ever launched a product, only to face missing parts, wrong components, or even a full batch failure. The problem may not be in production at all, but in the most overlooked stage, the incoming materials process. Today, let's walk you through how a reliable PCBA factory handles incoming inspection and material release. First, when materials arrive, the receiving team verifies data, takes photos for records, and logs everything into the system. Each batch is assigned a unique QR code, enabling full traceability for quantity, inspection, and movement. Next comes material counting. For real components, we use X-ray counters for fast and accurate quantity verification. After counting, we cross-check the results against purchase orders or customer-provided quantities. Any discrepancy is immediately flagged and blocked from entering production. Next is part number and value verification. We first check the printed markings, then use our in-house inspection system to quickly verify values of components like resistors and capacitors. It's not close enough, it must strictly match the BOM specifications. There's also a step many factories skip: pad compatibility verification. We place components onto PCB pads to confirm footprint matching, preventing issues like misfit or soldering failures. Finally, components and PCBs are kitted according to the BOM and moved to the material release area. The system automatically notifies operators to pick up materials and proceed to production. What you see is just receiving, but what's really happening is eliminating 90% of production risks before the line even starts. PCBA quality doesn't start at SMT, it starts the moment materials arrive at the factory.